This is where comedy comes to life on
Yeah, don't know your boy Jnel, and this is 5 things Jamaicans hate part 2. Number 1 on the list, Jamaicans hate when did you sell text them.
Stop! You know what going this morning? Nothing never going now. What's the letter? I get message back. What you get this? This is so long. They date them like a woman then. Yeah, free. Yeah, man, I get no woman I text me so much now. But I get this again in the dog. Dip this again. Again? Nah, you don't care to know? Yo. Yeah, what going? Did you sell? Yo. No, man.
Number 2 on the list, Jamaicans hate when people look on them too hard.
Yo, now long time I don't know you there. Yeah, man, I know him, man.
From when? Yeah, anytime already. Like tonight, or even now. Yo, hold on a bit. Remember they are looking for me. Yo, where's someone I pray for me for Bridget?
Yeah, I know you, man.
No, my friend, what big man?
From the video, man.
What? Which video now?
Yeah, the video, man. You know the video there? Yeah,
I mean, see him one, man.
go on.
Yeah, man, big up, man, you see me?
What
Just go and watch the thing there, man. Like, share and subscribe, see you when
Number 3 on the list, Jamaican hate when people owe them money. Listen, more you dog.
A long time you owe me in a dog.
Hold on.
2 years, my youth.
I do this. Next week.
Yo, I need my money, dog.
Next week, I do this. That's what I tell you next week, 2 years ago, but next
Yo,
week.
I need my money.
Don't worry. Hello?
I want my money. I want my money. Yo, I'm gonna just talk to you. I'm gonna just talk to you, mate. I want my money.
Number 4 on the list, Jamaicans hate when people tell them about their mother.
Come here, they might get my money in this now, you know. Oh, hey, stop! I'm not gonna stop doing dog shit never over me hard, man. Money up your dog, fuck you, man. Oh, hey, man. Come take it up. Come take it up. Come take it. Come take it up. No. Hey, boy, how are you? Hey, boy, how are you just do? How are you?
How are you?
What's up, Gemma?
Finally, number 5, Jamaican hate when they beg them money. Don't beg a Jamaican.
Oh, yo, boss. No money now.
I don't have the money, brother. Things stay away, man. I'll do today or Friday. Bro, let me not get them.
No, man, you just get a pay, man.
Big up yourself. No money. No money, man.
Yeah, most of
No money, my general.
Yo, boss, still want money. Put money in my mind.
No money.
Just give me a money.
Just big up yourself. That's why you think.
Yo, boss. Money no man.
No money. That's all right.
Still want the money, man.
No, I have no money. You don't have no money. Bro.
Still want the money, no boss.
No money.
Me not the money. Just want the money to buy piece of rice. Just to buy piece of rice. Just to buy piece of rice.
Thanks for watching that video, peeps. Another 5 things Jamaicans hate. Please remember to like, share, and also
subscribe. Jnel TV.
Don't know.
I still want the money in my youth.
Oh, you're reaching now?
I still want the money.
Oh, you're reaching now?
I just take time crawl through wall. I crawl through wall around the back. Just want the money.
Come on. Me not give you no money, brother. You know, you're Jamaican state. Me not give you no.
I give you this.
No, yo. Wait.